Suntan occurs when the skin darkens due to the exposure of the UV radiation from the sun. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, the melanin increases to protect the skin. This natural defensive mechanism results in darkening of the skin, also called as suntan. Overexposure to the sun without any protection can lead to sunburn and long-term skin damage. To reverse suntan, here is an effective skincare routine that worked for me, and that is why I am sharing this video with you. This routine has reversed my suntan and given me an even skin tone. First step is PHA toner. PHAs provide a mild exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and promoting skin renewal. This reduces the appearance of suntan. PHAs smoothens the skin surface, resulting in a more even complexion and diminishing the effects of sun damage. By promoting cell turnover, PHAs fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation caused by sun exposure. I use the Minimalist PHA toner. Pour few drops of the PHA toner onto your palm, spread it across your palm and press it against your skin. For serum, I use an Arbutin Serum. Arbutin helps in skin brightening. Arbutin prohibits the production of melanin, which is responsible for pigmentation. This can result in a more even skin tone and reduced appearance of suntan. It targets dark spots and uneven skin tone caused by sun exposure, helping to fade those areas over time. I am using the Minimalist Arbutin Serum. For moisturizer, I use a ceramide based moisturizer. Ceramide contributes to overall skin's health, promoting a smoother and even complexion. It restores the skin's natural barrier, which is damaged by sun exposure, aiding in skin hydration and reduces moisture loss. Since the skin's barrier is already damaged by sun, we need a ceramide moisturizer to restore the skin's barrier. I use Foxtale's Ceramide moisturizer. Since we are using acids on our face like the Arbutin and PHAs, it is very important to use a broad spectrum sunscreen. I have two options for you. One is the matte sunscreen and the other one is the dewy sunscreen. Matte sunscreen gives you an ultra matte oil-free look, and dewy sunscreen gives you a more dewy glowy look. Choose matte sunscreen if you have oily skin and choose dewy sunscreen if you have dry skin. Using sunscreen is essential for preventing further sun damage and supporting the removal of suntan. Sunscreen helps to prevent the darkening of existing hyperpigmentation, including suntan, by shielding the skin from UV-induced melanin production. If you want to know more about Foxtale products and reviews, I will leave the link in the description box and also on the I button above. Weekly once at night after washing your face, apply Glycolic Acid Serum. Glycolic acid brightens the complexion by targeting hyperpigmentation and promoting a more even skin tone. Glycolic acid is an AHA acid that exfoliates the skin, removes dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. This reduces the appearance of suntan and improving the skin texture. I am using the glycolic acid from Foxtale. It is called the Diva Overnight Glow Mask. Weekly once at night after washing your face, apply this glycolic acid serum and go to sleep. You can do this skincare routine both day and night. Just make sure to be consistent while using the skincare routine, and you can see the result in 4 weeks. This skincare routine is what I follow after a vacation. Do try this out and let me know in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. I will leave the product links in the description box. Until next time, take care. Bye. Subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.